Hi there, my name is Rithvik and welcome to my 3MYSC Journey Vlog 4. Today we're going to be talking about researching and gathering information. Let's get straight to the point. Firstly, we'll discuss the hardest part of gathering information and conducting research for literature reviews. First, we need to assess two different factors before approaching a certain problem. First, there's breadth, and second, there's depth. Firstly, breadth is the amount of variety, innovation, creativity, and novelty in the approach applied to a problem. Depth is the amount of iterative empirical improvement of research and knowledge base regards to the problem over time, with different nuances and qualitative factors that are changed and altered during the process to find new and novel ways of optimizing a certain solution to a problem. Afterwards, these two factors need to be considered heavily because we're going to discuss the two different reasons why. Firstly, if we have excess breadth, there might be too much novelty, too much creativity, too much different solutions that we can approach that we might just miss a few of these creative factors that can really inspire true innovation and creativity in terms of applying and approaching a problem correctly. Secondly, there's going to be excess depth in certain fields because firstly, when we have a bigger picture of a certain problem, we need to assess, is this really important diving deep into? Because if you're unimportantly diving deep into a certain aspect of a problem without regarding how much influence it has on the total project or total problem that you're going to be finding a solution for, then you're truly going to be wasting some time and energy and effort into that. Which is why we need to first analyze which is the most important aspects of the problem that we must analyze. And secondly, we should try to go as deep in that as much as possible and try to find all the critical factors that are important for devising a proper prototype. The question of can you solve a problem without doing any research in regards to the problem itself really only has one simple answer. No, you can't really devise a proper, robust, reconstructible, and academically profound solution to a certain problem because other people could have already found better solutions to your project that you might just not know about because you haven't conducted any proper, thorough research. Researching is important because you can already find the effective solutions that are already out there and the work that have been done by other people to find the insights and the results that they had and figure out the obstacles that they had, the roadblocks that they had, to make sure that you can overcome these obstacles and use their beneficial steps in your project to make sure that you can establish a proper research plan and conduct good research to find the best prototype. Information you require before getting started on your project depends on the process you apply. The process you can apply are engineering design process or the scientific method. The engineering design process consists of the criteria and the constraints. The criteria have goals and objectives for your prototype to meet. These criteria and goals can guide you on the certain types of solutions that are already out there, the different types of information regarding those solutions, and the multitude of factors that are involved with those goals. And researching into these topics allow you to get a clear vision of the type of prototype that you need to devise. Your constraints allow you to compare your resources and situation compared to what researchers have. And utilizing the information and insights that researchers with higher quality resources can allow you to find better and more efficient solutions with limited resources, which can in turn develop a really cost-efficient prototype. Creating clear research questions and objectives can make a big difference in your research because making and establishing clarity in your question and in general your engineering design process criteria and constraints can allow you to focus in on the necessary topics that are crucial for your project instead of going down unnecessary paths of research and information. Focusing in on these clear objectives, these clear questions can really allow you to find the clear information that is required of you to complete the project and find the necessary information to fulfill the goals and objectives for your prototype. Organization is crucial in a scientist's work because organization allows us to clearly consolidate the amount of resources and information that we have access to us to achieve the objectives and goals that we set for ourselves. More and more complex problems require organization and decluttering to make sure that we stay on task and are clearly hitting the objectives and answering the research questions that we establish in the beginning of our research project. Researching and gathering information is crucial for a scientist because it can provide background knowledge on tried solutions, encounterable problems, and beneficial stepping stones for us to work off of to ensure that we're on a path to creating a robust, academic, reusable, and a meaningful contribution to our field of work.
Thank you all for watching, and I can't wait to see you all in Vlog 5. Bye.